my really good friend.
Here I am.
Here she is.
Wow.
I love you, Natalie!
Quiet though, because you guys need to change that though.
You guys have to change that, at least
There's
by
a lot of
tonight.
people in here.
Promise?
Too, so.
There's a lot of you guys gotta be crazy. We're getting there.
Are you ready for some questions?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay, I think I'm ready to ask you some. Okay, Taylor Tyler. Wow, that's interesting. Like Julia, do you have any of those here? Where's Taylor? Can I get like a shot of Taylor?
Hello.
Hi, Taylor. Taylor wants to know, what is your favorite movie quote from what movie? Oof, hard one.
It is. I think it's. Oh my God, I love your skirt. Where did you get it? Oh my God, Come me, girls.
This is from Amber. What is a weird or unusual food you've ever tried?
I've had quail eggs before. Raw. Like
Brave
just a
soul.
little egg shot. I also had alligator. I mean, alligators is like a southern thing. I love it. It's so good. Tastes like chicken. It really does. And I had a piece of a human leg. I'm just kidding, you guys. But I just really wanted to say something that would shock you. I've never eaten human before.
Alright, this is from Kelly with an H. Last name. I didn't hear what you said. What did you say? It's probably really funny.
I didn't say
You got
anything.
jokes. A lot of jokes. I don't think you guys knew that. On the side should have stand-up comedy. You guys are in. This crowd is like making me almost late. Alright.
By the way, wait, do we think that we can give them all a Red Bull before they enter?
Yeah.
You
I'm gonna go where we are. Alright. Okay. Kelly. H. Dot. When you're having a bad day, what do you do?
What do I do? I do this
To relax.
No, what I do to relax is, it's funny, when I have a bad day, the last thing that I want to do is relax. It's like if I really want to change my day around, I'll put on like some of my favorite music, I'll throw a party in the dressing room, or I'll just list things that I'm grateful for, and excuse me, I get the hiccups a lot lately. I had the hiccups during Let It Go last night, and it was really embarrassing. My sound guy kept looking at me like, what's going on? Is it messing up? I'm like, no, I just have the hiccups. Yeah, I like to throw dance parties.
This is from Emily with a heart. Forgot.
Emily? Where are you? You have a heart for a dot instead of what?
So cute.
That was on my birth certificate though. I'm just kidding, it's not possible.
Those are fighting words. Okay, hey Debbie.
Hey,
Does
you.
your head ever hurt from how much you flip your hair?
You know what? My neck does. I get whiplash, I swear. Okay, maybe that's exaggerating. But I do get really bad neck pains because I feel what? I do, I get neck pains. But I used to also do that when I go to like really heavy death metal concerts, and I'd be the one that was like, well, I'd be also one of them. It would be like thrashing my head around. And in the mosh pit. Oh yeah. It's called hairography. Which nobody was paying attention to in those heavy death metal concerts. But it was good practice.
Alright, last question. I have to. I don't want to go, but I have to.
You really don't have to go.
Huh? I can't read that from here. Okay, this is from Jenna.
Hi Jenna, where are you? You're
Jenna's
Jenna.
painted.
Never
Jenna's
mind.
here? Jenna's not here.
I know. I'm
Check
Jenna.
out. I'll be Jenna. All right,
I'm Jenna.
A few Jennas. How many times are they going to say Jenna, do you think? Last time. Hey, thank you for everything. What's your favorite rap song?
That's me!
My favorite rap song. Right now it's Senile. It's off of the Young Money album. It's like Nicki Minaj and Wayne and who else
she probably should have a purse or two. A little lick, is that what they call it?
No, that's not.
No, that's not the kids.
So that's not.
Will you